Alright. I really don't know why that glitch happens. It is extremely annoying. That it swaps the window that's being streamed to my dashboard instead of the game. Alright, well, there we go. We're in Indiana. And this is West Lafayette, so nowhere near a border, so let's just go with Indiana. Alright. Next, we have this place. Alright. A little circle, or not. West Point Road and Cherrywood, and now it's telling me that's a dead end, so I shouldn't continue that way. Alright, Round Top Place. Also a dead end, apparently. Okay, more Cherrywood. Alright, a larger road here it seems. Okay, let's go that way. Alright, are there any signs of where in the US this is now? Pardon me. Okay, the name Roanoke is associated with Virginia, so we could tentatively guess that we are in Virginia for now. Let's see where this leads. City of Salem Courthouse. Okay, we saw a US highway sign. Alright, let's see if we can find these in Virginia. 460. Alright, we have a 460 here. And do we have a Virginia Highway 311? Yup, there's a 311, and I wonder if I could find specifically the city of Salem here. Salem. There's Salem. Alright, and it is indeed within the area of Roanoke. Alright, Virginia. Let's go. Okay. Some nice lush hills on some highway. Exit 178 written in an interesting sign format. Actually, if there's an exit, then I could probably find what the highway number is from the exit. So let's take a look. Coal Divide Road. Maybe not? Okay then. Well, so much for that. Oh, there we go. Alright, so this is Interstate 90. Wow, I could have just continued forward a few steps there and that would have told me what the highway I'm on. Whoops. Many reasons not to have taken that exit. Okay, well, we're only so far because Interstate 90 does go through many different states. It really wants me to move to the other side of the road. Incredibly difficult to click into the distance in this. It's very uncooperative. Emergency parking only. Sundance spearfish. Okay, I'm gonna need to just go and look for these places now. Sundance and spearfish. Okay, there's spearfish. And there's Sundance. And which came first? Sundance is first, and that's going eastward, so we are in Wyoming. Alright. Wyoming. Whew. Alright, next round. Oh no, what just happened? Let's restart. Actually, maybe the street sign. I think the street sign might say what the city is on that seal. If only I could procure a close enough image of it. Okay, that is a chair. Maybe what I should deduce from this is that it's like referencing the chairs made by Shakers. I don't know. Alright, Gardner Fire Department. Well, I do know one city named Gardner in the US, and it's in Massachusetts. I imagine there are probably other Gardners, though. Alright. That, though, makes me fairly confident we are in fact in Massachusetts. Let's see. Gardner would be like here, and there is a Winchendon near it, so let's go for Massachusetts. Alright, next round. We have Big Green Egg. Is there also Big Ham with it? Let's see. Traeger. Shawnee Street. Alright, we have Muskogee Avenue. Let's see, is there something here? This is giving me Oklahoma vibes, the names here. Feltz, Harvest, Delaware Street. Or not harvest, actually, harvest. Okay. Street that doesn't want to tell me what the street is. Choctaw Street. Okay. Now I've seen two of the Native American tribes that were forced to relocate to Oklahoma through the Trail of Tears. Maybe that says... three of them now. Of course, if Muskogee is not just the name of the avenue, but also the name of the city we're in, I think Muskogee is a city in Oklahoma, and thus I would be able to conclude from just that. Actually, you know what? Let's just go do that right now. Muskogee, there's a city called Muskogee, and inside it, can I find Muskogee Avenue? Not really. All the names, though, are lining up. I'm just gonna click here for now. Maybe look a few more things up before deciding on this. Northeast. Oh no, is it not responding? Crud. Let's see. Click start. It looks like this is it looks like the site is responding, so I don't think this is a Wi-Fi failure. Let's see. Okay. I think we are back. That should probably have used up my time, so I'll just guess here. Okay, cool. That was indeed correct. Next, we have this place. Moriarty's Fence. Okay. Invisible fence. Bullard. Layton Estates. Musquanicut. I've never seen a heavy train station traffic when flashing sign before, but I guess that is what's relevant here. Moose Hill Parkway. If only I could zoom in closely enough to see what that seal says. Gosh darn it. Okay. I think that sign says Providence. It would be nice if I could see what that said. Alright. Trains to Providence. Alright. This is a train station. Okay. Ah! Okay. So, we are in the MBTA commuter rail. The question is whether we are currently in Massachusetts or Rhode Island. So, where would the Sharon station be? You know, there's like... Alright, so there's the Providence station. And there's... okay, which of these lines is the commuter rail? That says South Attleboro, which means that we've already crossed the border into Massachusetts here. So we should be in Massachusetts. Let's see if we can find Sharon. There's Sharon. Okay. We're in Massachusetts, and Sharon's over there, and there's the Sharon station. Alright. Cool. We've got Massachusetts twice so far. Alright. Okay. Looks like we should go this way. Oak Run. Okay. There's a pretty bad camera being used here. Oh my goodness. Oak Run, Oak Circle, Oak Trail. Alright. Okay, we were at a road here. This was incredibly Ohm Road, but it looks perhaps more promising, so let's go down it and see what we find. Spruce Road. And over here is Emerald Road. Universal Environmental Services. Okay, this is a larger road. Let's see what we have. Of course, Emerald Shores Elementary. Okay, presumably there are shores here. Cypress Road, tree theme continues. What's this place? Emerald, I don't even know what TRC stands for. Does it stand for terrace? Okay. Wow. Now that's really bad camera footage. Okay, and then probably a larger road. Can I see what road this is? No. Silver Springs Shores. Are we in Maryland? There's quite a bit more Jesus than I expect out of Maryland, but I guess it still is Maryland. Okay, I'm gonna need a guess soon. Do I think this is Texas or Florida, which I think is probably more likely, given that there's some Spanish here. I think probably Florida. Whew. Okay, good guess. And it said shores despite the fact that we're not near either coast of Florida. I guess we're talking about the shores of lakes here. Alright. Getting it just on hunches. Alright, next we have this place, which says 12,000 E, Route 114. So, are we in Utah or Ohio, given that we have numbered roads of that form? Alright, that sign says Illinois on it. What does that sign say? Day use area. Well, let's see if we can find Route 114 in Illinois. I see a 115 here, and a 116 and a 117, so numbers are probably local, and therefore there should be a 114 around here. Maybe if I zoomed in further. 114, 114. I see no 114. Well, that's bothersome. Are these streets numbered though? Oh, they definitely are. Okay. I'm gonna just say Illinois here, even though it's a bit risky. Alright, so where did the 114 end up being? It was over on the way east side of the state. Okay. So, alright. Still sort of locally numbered, maybe? But yeah, okay. Good to know that Illinois is like Utah and Ohio in having numbered streets of that form. Okay, here we have St. Clair and 4th. Tecumseh, alright, probably in the eastern Midwest. I think I'm leaning Michigan. Uh-oh, is it frozen again? Gosh darn it. Okay, cool. That took not too long to resolve. Okay, bigger road, that's good. Which way should we go? Probably that way. This street is called Ohio. And we have reached Main Street. Oh, and that's an Ohio highway number. All right, let's just say we're in Ohio. Okay, we were over on the western end of Ohio in Greenville. All right, it looks like we should go this way. And here we have Jackie Street and Jacqueline Street. Nice naming there. Let's go this way and hope we reach a bigger street. We reach end of coverage. Incredible. All right. Let's go the other direction. All right, cool. We have hit a bigger road. And which way should we go? Ah, we see a highway shield. I think that's New York. Okay, it says NYS Route 32, And I think NYS should stand for New York State. Let's see if we can find it. I see 30. I see 34 and 36. I see 33. I see 31. Alright, I see pretty much every number around 32. Just not 32 itself. So I think I'll click on New York and then see what else I find. We got fried chicken sandwiches. Yummy, yummy. I could use a fried chicken sandwich right now. Where by now I mean in the general sense. I've had quite a hefty dinner, so I'm actually quite fine for precisely at this moment. Alright, what do we have here? Huh. Alright, let's see where this gets. Any signs indicating which direction things are going? I feel that after seeing NYS and that particular shield, maybe I should just be confident this is New York. Okay, so where was 32 after all? It was south of Poughkeepsie, over in Vales Gate apparently, here. And 32 runs north-south like that. Alright. Should have checked this part of New York as well. But oh well, I still got it right. Okay, here we have, alright. Let's go that a ways. Miller's Butcher Shop and Miller's Sporting Goods. Morgan's Choice Road. Interesting name of a road. That looked like a helpful sign. Maybe I should read it a bit more. Oh, never mind. It was just one of those signs. Alright. I wish it would allow me to like zip past before rendering the current position if I wanted to go beyond. Alright, I think this way would be more helpful. Wild Quail Country Club. Pfeiffer Orchards. Wyoming, Delaware. Okay. And that's in 2 miles. Alright. And can I find Wyoming, Delaware on here to see whether we were on the border? I don't see Wyoming, Delaware yet, so let's scroll in. Or rather, zoom in, I meant. I guess another worry I have is that it could just mean that the brand's headquarters are located there and we are not actually in that place. I guess I should ask myself, can this conceivably be Delaware? Which I think the answer is yes. It doesn't look explicitly not Delaware. Let's see how this goes. Okay, cool, it was correct. And there's Wyoming, Delaware. Alright, very near Camden. Was obscured by the name Camden at further out zoom levels. Okay. That was a close one. Alright, this looks like the plains. Exit. Or, given that it's an exit sign without an exit number, maybe California? Bigelow Road. Alright, what highway is it? It should tell us. Alright, there we go. Are we not going to be able to... Wow, that is annoying. Okay, there it will say things. And it says... Like, I guess it says US 50? Goodness. That is very unhelpful. Alright, it says US 50 and US 400. And if I recall correctly, US 400 is in Kansas. Okay, there's US 50, there's US 400. Do they get concurrent at some point? Can we find Laken? Okay, there's Lakin, but is this actually Kansas? Okay, we have Lakin and Garden City there. Two of the names we saw. And I guess this is the exit over there. Alright, and so that is on the Kansas side of this. I guess that could have been Colorado if we went far enough west, but that was indeed Kansas. Over here we have this road. Belote Road and Watson Road. City of Buckeye in Arizona. And that was Cherokee Avenue that we were on. Aqua Avenue. Interesting. Serendipity Restaurant. That's a nice name of a restaurant. Let's see where this road leads. Ooh, we have ocean here. Or at least a river. It looks like there is another bank to it. Let's see what that sign says. Sotheby's. All right. Okay. Delaware Avenue. Gosh darn it, it's a dead end. And I think this is where we were before. Fire signal. Ooh, does it say Indian River? So this place is giving me a lot of Oklahoma vibes. I could look through the state of Oklahoma to see if I can find a city called Indian River. Hold on. Alright, let's see if we can find an Indian River here. Oh, wow, I just realized, looking at this map, that Oklahoma has both a broken bow and a broken arrow. That's quite funny. Alright. I want to look for an Indian River or an Oak Meadows. Let's see if I find any there. Okay. Well, let's default to Oklahoma as we look for other things around. Okay, that was Delaware, and that ends the streak. So that's all for today. See you all next time. Let's take a look at the summary. All right.